Hi friends, I am Tilak, you're watching TechMate Unique, and today we are going to see how to delete a particular column in the table in your Microsoft Excel web on your PC. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe and below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to delete a column in the table in your Microsoft Excel web on your PC, I just going to show. So first of all, I just inserted a lot of columns with the table. So I'm just going to create this. So we just created with 8 columns, but I just need only 4 columns. So I just need to delete the column. So to delete the column, click on the column and right click here. You will see an option called delete. Click on this and you will see a 2 option. Here you can see an option called table column. So click this and it will be deleted. So if you are just want to try to delete from here, so I just going to show some example. If you just click on any cell on the outside and click on delete option, you will see an option called column. But it shows only column. You just see the 4 here, the value of 4. So I just deleted. You can see the 4 also will be deleted. If I just want to delete only a column in the table, you just need to click inside any cell in that column, and you will see an option called right click here and you will see delete option. Here click on the delete column. Now it will be deleted only the column. It will not delete the data outside the table. This is how you just delete the column on your Microsoft Excel web on your computer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from TechMate Unique. Have a wonderful day.